In this video, we'll walk you through how to use SciSpace Teams to collaborate effectively on your research projects. SciSpace Teams is a feature that enables research groups to collaborate seamlessly. It provides shared spaces for organizing papers, taking notes, and co-authoring documents. To get started, go to My Library and upload all your PDFs. If you use Zotero, you can also link your account to import files directly. This area is your personal library. All papers here are accessible only to you. Next, create a shared library by clicking the plus icon, naming your space, and uploading papers. Invite your team members by entering their email addresses. Once they accept the invite, they can access, upload, and organize papers all in one shared space. Shared libraries facilitates collaborative research projects by allowing team members to contribute to a common repository. To ensure appropriate access levels, assign roles to your team members. Members can add and view files, admins can manage users and perform all member actions. Owner has full control over the library. To make an existing PDF or folder accessible to your team, open the folder and click Move to Shared Library. You can also select individual PDF documents or even multiple PDFs at once to transfer them. All contents will then be shared. Inside your shared library, you can also chat with papers, ask questions, get summaries, or extract key points using Copilot. If you prefer, you can listen to audio summaries or read text summaries of any paper. Conduct a high-quality literature reviews by analyzing papers in the Common Library. Highlight insights, organize them into columns, and even switch the language based on your preference. You can also create shared notebooks to save notes, co-write, and edit documents in real time. This is helpful for drafting manuscripts, compiling findings, or summarizing key ideas together. And that's how you can use SciSpace Teams. It helps you stay organized, work efficiently, and collaborate with ease all in one library. Try it out now.